Hey, my name is Ronnie, this is Ronnie S Revenge, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to the channel, I usually do mystery boxes and unboxings. I unbox these Dunks from the United Kingdom. I unbox and put up 2 Supreme skateboards. And most of the clothes that I wear in my videos are actually also from mystery boxes. But today, I'm about to unbox this BAPE jacket that's older than me. Y'all heard me right, I'm about to unbox a 2001 BAPE GORETEX jacket. I'm only 18, so technically this jacket is 3 years older than me. I bought this jacket from a great reseller called BAPE.az. He's a super credified BAPE seller and he's been selling it since 2012. He has a super cool website and mostly everything he has is under retail. I know people are tired of seeing the same BAPE hoodies and the same BAPE shirts, and he has a lot of things that I've never seen before. A lot of collabs that are super cool. You guys should definitely check them out. But I only ordered this jacket 2 days ago and it's already here. This is probably some of the fastest shipping that I've had with anyone that I've ever purchased from or worked with. And as you can tell, I got the BAPE sweats on and the BAPE shirt. This camo, I'm really hoping that it matches my sweats. If not, it is what it is, but we're gonna find out. So without further ado, let's just open this up. You already know I got my knife on deck, so let's open this thing up. Thank you. That was the best thing I ever read in my life. Alright guys, I cut it open. It's like really not budging. Somebody should have just seen up this point. This is the biggest BAPE I've ever had. That's super fire. Alright, let's zip this open and see how it's looking. Alright, this BAPE jacket has a zipper on the side. That's pretty unique. I've never seen that. All the zippers on mine are usually at the top, but this one is on the side. I don't know if it's with that with most of the jackets, but unboxing the jacket, this is super fire. As you guys can see, we have our BAPE GORETEX first camo jacket. As you guys can see, the tags are still attached from 2001. Sadly, as you can see, it doesn't fully match my sweats, but I can still throw them together. Hopefully. Let me know in the comments if I can still throw this together. I'm still putting it together. But this cool jacket actually has 4 pockets right here. It has one right here, one right here, and 2 on both of these sides. And they all have zippers. And of course you got the zipper coming down in the middle. I just unzipped this and I just realized that it also has 2 zippers down here, just like many of the BAPE jackets nowadays. All the zippers also say BAPE on them, which is very cool. And both of the sleeves also have zippers. And when taking them out, they just reveal more of the BAPE logo, giving you more space in your sleeves. This jacket also introduces a collar that you could button up, and of course you have the famous beating 8 words again right there on your button. All throughout the front of the hood, you can see the BAPE heads going throughout it, and on the back you got a lot more camo going on, a lot more BAPE heads going on. I see about 8 of them already, but here's a closer look of it, where you guys can see. It's super fire, super dope. And going on the inside of this jacket, you can tell it's very old by the medium logo. Towards the bottom by our zippers, we have our GORETEX sign right here, and it actually says, "Guaranteed to keep you dry, GORETEX outerwear." So that's pretty tough right there. Let you guys get a closer look at that. And on the exact other side of this jacket, by the other zipper, we have our Beating 8 logo. Look how old that is. Have you guys even ever seen this logo right here from BAPE? And on the inside, in the red, it says, "BAPE shall never kill 8" with no spaces, and it says "Made in Japan." That is super dope. It's nice to see something you haven't seen before. One key detail I really want to add in also is how faded this tag is right here. If you guys can see, look how faded it's starting to get on the right hand side of it. Alright, I'm gonna put the jacket on for you guys and see how it's looking on me. Okay, so this is how the jacket looks when I put it on. It actually fits perfectly. This is a medium. And I know sometimes BAPE comes in large, but this is old school, so I don't know guys, it fits perfectly. Let me know how you guys think it looks when it's unzipped. Of course, I got the first camo BAPE sweats under, and this BAPE shirt right here. Full Supreme beanie. So let me know how you guys think it looks when it's unzipped. Alright, now I'm gonna zip it it up and let's see how it looks. That was a lot of fun, but this is the end of the video. Let me know how you guys like this jacket. This is definitely my favorite jacket right now. Nothing is beating this. I'm so grateful that I have the sweats and the shirt to go with it. Now all I need are some BAPE.az and a beanie. I already got the socks, so one day I'm gonna have the full BAPE outfit. Hopefully you guys are there.